Hello, teacher. My routine present on Mondays. I go to work from 5 a.m. until 1 p.m. Then I have lunch at 2 p.m. and in the afternoons I do my household chores and later do my homework. On Tuesday, I do professional internals. I die and at night I go to the gym for 3 hours.